Now, come closer. Guys, welcome back to my page. I have always wanted to make steak. Yeah, I know most of you should know steak. You can get it in our supermarket. So I made steak and cabbage stir fry. I had to use the stir fry to eat the steak because you can't have steak alone. So steak is just steak meat actually. So um, it well I said this is actually my first time of making it, but hey, it's it is he's giving what he's supposed to give. Obi was hey, I would have allowed him to make this voiceover as usual, but he's not always around all the time now. So now tell me why this child will not allow me to do what I'm doing. This particular day, hey God, it was I and the kids that were around. It was not it wasn't funny. It was not, but we have to do what we have to do. So guys, I have to wash my meat, my steak meat, now my veggies as well. I now went in with my olive oil, my steak meat. Yeah, have you had this? If you know you have had this, let me go in the comment section. So I had to go in with the ingredients, just you just get ingredients, go in anyone you want. I went in with garlic, onion powder, garlic powder as well. Now I went in with I had the veggies I washed, which is thyme and rosemary. That's the two I used. Now I went in with my curry, my thyme, my paprika. Yeah. Now butter. You have to add butter. You have to add a lot of butter because what is thick meat without adding butter? Hey, I have to split, guys. You have to split. Split for everything. All those ingredients to incorporate together. All those ingredients to jam. I went in with seasoning cube as well. Okay. Now I have to take the water. It's sticking now. So, but the butter as well. Everything has melted. So I just had to sprinkle everything. Now look at guys. Hey, what time making this ball? Oh my goodness. It was giving what it's supposed to give. Oh, I would not. So I have to bring when it's done already. Put it inside the plate, but I still have to take the water and put it there so everything will still be soaked because I'm about to prepare my cabbage stir fry. Yeah, so everything will be soaked. Step aside. Now let's go in with our stir fry oil, your virgin oil, onions, saute my onions. Yeah, good child. What is it I'm covering? Now my bell peppers, green, yellow, and red. So I give it a very nice stir, a very nice mix. When you with my seasonings as well as normal seasonings, this is my normally use, but I said go in with your seasoning. So at this particular point, I've already shredded my cabbage. I've shredded it already. So what's next? After stirring and every stirring, make sure you stir everything to incorporate together. I'm going in with my cabbage, my shredded cabbage. Yeah, I went in with it. Okay, because everything is about to get lit. Everything is about to take its shape. Yeah. So guys, I'm excited because the compliment I got from this, you guys will not understand. So I had to flip and turn. If you know that you have had this before, just let me know in the comments. As in, okay, you cannot even keep this alone to yourself because by now I know that you should be sending this to your to your people.
Guys, I made steak with cabbage stir fry, and someone decided to add rice to his own. Just I don't. I can look at what you're supposed to eat. Eat only steak and stir fry, steak and cabbage stir fry. No, Odogu cannot eat only that one. He will want to add rice. Yes. Hey, where are the foodies in the house? On a chairman, chairman sir, they agree to.